Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and spicy crackers. You'll need oyster crackers, butter, today I'm using plant-based butter. You'll need maple syrup for the sweet and sriracha for the spicy. All right, so you'll start by melting your butter. Once our butter is melted, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Next, you'll add your sriracha, and you can make this as spicy as you like. You can use anywhere from 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add 4 because the person that I'm making this for really likes spicy food. This particular brand of sriracha is not really spicy, which is why I like it. But if you prefer the original sriracha brand, certainly use that. Just know that it tends to be a little spicier than the Tabasco brand that I'm using today. So you'll cut back. Again, that's completely adjustable to your own liking. Crank up my heat just a little here. And I want to just blend this in really well and get it to come to a little bit of a boil. All right, so it's kind of coming up to a little bubbly boil here. I'm going to turn off my heat. And I'm going to add 1 package. This package is 9 ounces of oyster crackers. All right, so I'm going to stir them around till everything's nice and coated evenly. These crackers are really a great treat. I make them because the people that I'm making them for are plant-based, so I use plant-based butter, and there really is no other animal products in this snack. So a lot of times when you go to parties or get-togethers, it's not easy to make something that everyone can eat, and this is certainly one of those snacks. So I like to bring this. Okay, once everything is good and absorbed and well coated, spread them out on your parchment lined baking sheet. You want a nice even layer. We're going to be placing these in a 250-degree oven. We're going to bake them for about 30 minutes or so. Every 10 minutes you're going to go in and stir them. You want them to dry out and just get tiny bit browned, but don't overcook them. Now, I like a little salty with my sweet and spicy, so I'm going to take some garlic salt. I like garlic salt because, you know, a little more flavor, a little garlicky with the sriracha is good, so I like to sprinkle mine with garlic salt. And because this is for my friend who likes spicy, I'm going to put a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes on mine too. Why not? You can make these as spicy as you like them, like I said, or rather mildly. In fact, I made these with just 2 tablespoons of this sriracha sauce, and I had a 1.5-year-old eating them like candy. He loved them. So it just depends on how much spice you use. All right, so I'm going to place these in my oven. I have it preheated to 250 degrees, and I'm going to stir them up every 10 minutes for about 30-40 minutes. So as my batch is in the oven, I'm feeling a little creative. I have another bag of these crackers, and I found some taco mix in my cabinet. So I'm going to try something. Hopefully they'll be good. If so, I'll include them in this video. If not, oh well. All right, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in my pan again. Let that melt. All right, so I'm going to add my packet of taco seasoning. This is 1 ounce or 1.3 ounces of taco seasoning. Might have wanted to add a little more butter, it looks like. Yeah, this is looking pretty dry. You know what? I've got some olive oil sitting right here. I'm going to use that. All right, we're winging it, guys. All right, just bear with me. I want to kind of loosen it up so that it sticks to my crackers. So a little bit of olive oil there, I think will work. So our crackers have been in the oven for about 40 minutes, 40 minutes. I baked them at 250 and stirred them about every 10 minutes or so that they were evenly browned. They're gonna be hot, hot. All right, guys, so these are the taco flavored crackers. These are so spicy. Trader Joe's, I don't know what you're putting into your taco mix, but man, these things they put my mouth on fire. So these should be called firecracker crackers. I thought about doing a second video with these to make these oyster crackers, but honestly, it's so simple, I don't know that I will. So let me just tell you the changes I would make. I mix the butter and oil. I probably skip the butter and just use oil, honestly. I would toss the crackers in the oil first and then sprinkle this over. That way you won't get these little clumpies. I think it'll cling to the crackers a whole lot better. Don't get me wrong, these are great just the way they are, but I think that will help the seasoning spread more evenly. But guys, this stuff is great. I can't believe how spicy it is. I thought maybe I picked up a extra spicy or hot packet by mistake, but I didn't. This is just their basic taco seasoning mix. So if you have someone who really likes spicy and hot foods, I'm telling you, this will do the trick. My sriracha ones, they are mild compared to this stuff, but they're really good. So there you go. We got a 2-for-1 video today. Oh, and something else I want to try. Let's give this a shot. Because I like to keep things plant-based. Instead of a cheese, I thought cheese would be good on these. I'm going to use some nutritional yeast and sprinkle over. Yeah, oh my gosh. Now it adds like a little cheesy flavor to them. I'm on to something, guys. These are really good. All right, well, I didn't expect this in my sriracha video that I'd have these made too, but these are awesome. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a like. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I post a video. Might post this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.